Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iOS 17 contact poster not working. The contact poster not showing, you miss out and enjoying the new iOS 17 feature on your iPhone. With the contact poster not showing, you miss out and enjoying the new iOS 17 feature on your iPhone. Various methods exist to resolve the issue of iOS 17 contact poster not working when calling. While some troubleshooting steps may seem basic, they are crucial and should not be ignored. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. A simple restart of your iPhone can close any conflicting programs, apps or system software that might be causing issue with the contact poster feature. Moreover, it provides a fresh start for your iOS 17, potentially resolving glitches. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. And then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. The next step is check the iOS version. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap update now to download and install the latest iOS version, and you are done. And the next step is reset the contact poster. If the contact poster card you created still is not functioning properly after the previous two methods, try resetting it by deleting and creating a new one. For this, open the Contacts app, tap your contact card, My Card at the top. Next, tap Contact Photo and Poster. Next, tap on the Edit button. Swipe up the contact poster to reveal the trash icon. Tap the trash icon and choose delete to confirm. And then tap on delete again to confirm. Next, tap create new to create a contact poster on your iPhone. And then tap on next. And then tap on done. And again tap on continue if you don't want to crop it. And you are done. The next step is turn on name and photo sharing if your contact poster is not functioning correctly. It may be due to disabled contact card sharing. First, go to settings, scroll down and go to phone, and then tap on share name and photo. Tap on its toggle button to turn it on, and you are done. And the next step is turn on iMessage with your phone number. You should have your iMessage activated using your phone number instead of Apple ID. For this, go to Settings app and then select Messages. Next, turn on the iMessage, and you are done. And the next step is reset all iPhone settings. Make sure you have the most current backup of your important iPhone data. For this, open the Settings app, scroll down and then tap on General. Scroll down to the transfer or reset iPhone option. Next, tap on erase all content and settings. Tap on continue and then tap on erase iPhone. And then follow the on-screen steps to erase all data on iPhone and set up your iPhone. And then recreate a contact poster for your contact card, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iOS 17 contact poster not working. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.